Welcome to the STEM Expo!
See, Mom, this is what it's going to look like when it's all done.
We have tornado tubes! You want to give it a try? Ready? 3, 2. Hold it. There you go.
Look at it.
Oh, that's lovely.
You can build one like this one day.
Bugs, yeah.
Insects. Want to sort them? Actually, they're not all insects. Would you like to go over to that pile over there and sort them?
There you go.
Look!
Yeah.
Look! Just having fun.
You can look at them, Trevor. You just can't walk off with them.
I know.
Oh, what's that one? Want it? That's right. What is that? What is? Yeah? What color?
You ever watch NASCAR?
Say no.
No.
So what you can do is take some of those cars and drop them down the different angles on this roadway. And so that's what, probably driving in here, you'll notice if you were on the highway that the roadway tilts a little bit.
He just sees cars. Good
Yeah.
Put here. Let it go.
Real life, but
Well, this one is like a lot of static electricity.
It's science.
You got the construction container, and you got the trailer. This is the building. Yeah.
What? Oh yeah, green.
You can touch it.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, and white blood cells.
Oh, okay.
And then, plates. Do you know which one doing what?
If you want to come over, test your.
that's how saturation works. How the shaving cream can only hold so much water before it starts to rain. So here we're gonna have him do. He's gonna have him
Oh, fun.
put a bunch of shaving cream in there. That should be good.
Oh, look at it. So now you made a cloud.
So now, yep, there's your cloud. Now we're just gonna have to get. We're gonna need to put a bunch of this water just in here like that. This is gonna take a little bit of time, but you're gonna just put a bunch of water, just keep pouring it in here, and eventually, once you get enough water in there, it'll just start to rain.
Whoa. Not for drink.
They have Legos over there, but we're trying to hold off because once we go there, we're probably not going to be able to get back.
See, this is kind of why, like, it's nice, but if you've already, like, committed yourself to being here for 2 hours, the kids can't.
So these guys have sand that's mixed with a polymer solution. So the sand sticks together, but it's not wet. Don't know if it's edible. I have to worry about that with pumpkin.
Doesn't make my fingers dirty.
Right. It almost has a moist feel into it. That's the polymer agent. It's helping it put it together and bind it. That way it doesn't dry.
Yeah, I want to get a lot of this. This is fun to play with.
Yeah. It doesn't leave all that.
Can you do that?
Flowers, yeah.
It's
Okay.
just making it continue. It feels moist, but it's still dry because it's not. You don't have to have the water. Too hard, but
Okay.
How's Justin?
Pumpkin. Hey.
Still probably going to need one of those. Very good.
Do you want to try?
next?
There's one that's like to make it.
Look.
Good parts for home.
You wanna blow?
There you go.
Good job.
Yeah.
That's cool.
See the bridge?
So you guys can build these.
Oh, cool.
I didn't want to.
Quick, I think Frumkin's making some sort of a silly putty or something like that.
So grab whatever color you like.
What color do you want? Purple, blue, yellow, orange.
You want to take some of this and then put a little bit of this into that. Okay? So let's start working in it. Just put a small amount of this into that.
Here, give me your hand. Just pour it a little. A little more?
A little more, just a little more.
You want to pour a little more in there?
Let me see.
Stir it up.
Yeah, I think we're good. Where's your color box?
Stir.
So, throw that in there. Wipes. We'll fix you up once you're done
Are you
with this.
stirring it? Everett, are you stirring?
I think it's getting a little dry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And keep squishing.
In there.
And now use a different one to mix that in.
Use this one, baby.
Use this one. See? So a little bit more, just a little bit more. Yeah, mix. Come on, mix it. We're getting there.
Can you stir it up, baby?
If you had the right ingredients, you can make this as strong as steel, but still have it flexible like that. Enjoy.
Really good quality.
Where is the
really
cover?
good strength, durability. So
Hopefully I have
you
it
will end up making
somewhere.
a polymer. You will be a little scientist.
Okay, I think we're good. Look at what you have made. And poof. And then poof. And then poof. Poof. You have to do that a couple of times just to get it dry. And then grab this and squish it.
Squish. Get it.
Squish.
Squish.
Squish. Keep squishing. It's gonna take a minute.
Squish it.
Squish with both your hands. Use both hands.
Say squish. Squish.
Here, honey, let's clean your hands off with this. What you got?
And I'm gonna try to get it with you and take it home.
Whoa, what do you got?
Polymer.
Cool.
Yeah.
And it matches Mama's shirt.
Yes, it does a little bit. A nut or a washer?
Because you're brave, you're bringing them in young. We're going to tie the balloon.
Look at it go. It's moving around. Wow, it's going a long time. Look at it go. Yeah. Do you want to sit down and play with Lego? Where's the...
Thanks, guys.
So they have some robots over there, which is super exciting. It looks like the remote control. Hopefully, I'm trying to get a hold of some robots to review later this year. Let's go check them out.
We're going to have to do that robot. Let's go out into the battle bar.
Nathan, this one we can have it running around, but it's too pointy. It's like
So these little ones are more like the ones that I'll be getting my hands on. You can see it behind me. I think ours is a little bit smaller.
Whatever you do. So it basically melts the plastic and then adds layers. So when it's done, it'll look something like this.
All right, it's time to go check on the wife. Took Frumpkin and Pumpkin to play with Legos, so we're gonna go see how they're doing. apples. What are you working on?
Shoes on.
What? Where are your shoes? Hey, get off your phone. You done with Legos?